Welcome to SG Investment. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about your money and to guiding you on your journey towards financial success. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. Henry Ford Success Lessons. Henry Ford was an American industrialist and business magnate, founder of the Ford Motor Company, and the sponsor of the development of the assembly line technique of mass production. He is credited with helping to bring about the mass use of automobiles, and he played a key role in the development of the modern automobile industry. Here are some success lessons from Henry Ford's life and career. 1. Have a clear vision. Henry Ford had a clear vision of what he wanted to achieve with the Ford Motor Company, and he worked tirelessly to turn that vision into a reality. 2. Be innovative. Ford was a pioneer in the development of the assembly line, which revolutionized the way cars were produced and made them more affordable for the average person. He was always looking for ways to improve his products and make them more efficient. 3. Focus on the customer. Ford understood that the key to success was to produce products that people wanted to buy, and he worked hard to understand the needs and desires of his customers. 4. Be persistent. Ford faced many challenges and setbacks throughout his career, but he never let these obstacles deter him from his goals. He was determined and persistent in pursuing his vision. 5. Take calculated risks. Ford was not afraid to take risks in his business, but he also knew when to be cautious and think things through carefully before making a decision. 6. Surround yourself with the right people. Ford knew that he couldn't do everything on his own, and he surrounded himself with talented and dedicated people who helped him build the Ford Motor Company into a success. 7. Believe in yourself. Ford had confidence in his abilities and his vision, and this belief in himself helped him to overcome obstacles and achieve success. 8. Be willing to learn. Ford was always open to learning new things and trying new things, which helped him to continue improving and innovating throughout his career. 9. Keep things simple. Ford believed in the power of simplicity, and he applied this principle to everything from the design of his cars to the way he ran his business. 10. Take care of your employees. Ford was known for his fair treatment of his employees and for implementing innovative policies such as the $5 workday, which helped to improve the lives of his workers and made them more productive. Conclusion. In conclusion, Henry Ford was a successful industrialist and business magnate who founded the Ford Motor Company and revolutionized the automobile industry through his development of the assembly line technique of mass production. He achieved this success by having a clear vision, being innovative, focusing on the customer, being persistent, taking calculated risks, surrounding himself with the right people, believing in himself, being willing to learn, keeping things simple, and taking care of his employees. These are valuable lessons that can be applied to any pursuit of success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.